Hello YouTubers, I have another unpacking of a stiletto knife. It's a Mago 9-inch slim ivory color Italian stiletto. It's an out of the front OTF automatic with satin plain dagger. Let's take this thing out, see what it looks like. Yeah, it looks like it's in a bag here with a carrier and case. Doesn't look too bad. Let's get this thing turned around. Yeah, here's the carrying case. Looks like it's nylon. It's got a loop for a belt here. Put it on your belt. Let's turn it around this way. Get this thing opened up. Okay, here it is. Like I say, it's a sim ivory in color. It's a 9-inch stiletto, OTF. I believe it's a Chinese. We'll turn it over here and look at it. Looks like these tongs are a little narrow and thin. All solid construction, belt clip with it. Here's the bottom. The other side, here's where the knife comes out. Okay, this is the mechanism to push it forward. It releases it, pushes the blade out, back, puts it back inside. So let's try it here a couple of times. There you go. It seems to be a little stiff because it's new, but has real good action. It's a dagger style blade. And it says made in Italy, which I don't believe so. I think it's a Chinese knockoff. Seems to be of good quality. So there you have it, YouTubers. It's got a nice little carrying case that came with it. And I think it'll be a pretty good little knife. I have no complaints for the price. It cost me $59.99 with the free shipping. Thank you for watching. Give me a like and subscribe if you like.